Muthee Kiengei nĩareyumĩririe gũtetera mũmemerekia wa Inooro TV Winrose Wangui kumana na ndeto irakoretwo igĩtambio nenda-inĩ atĩ kwahota gũkorwo atĩ onake nĩmatiganĩte na mũthuri wake. Ndeto ici iratambĩtio nĩ mwandĩki ũmwe mwena-inĩ wa Facebook, where he had hinted that after throwing a lavish private wedding which also happened to be her second wedding, now Winrose might be calling it quits. Na ngĩthoma ũrĩa mwandĩki ũcio arandĩkĩte, he had written that I guess there are so much expectations when it comes to celebrity marriages, especially our Kikuyu celebs. Sasa huyu naye akiachwa after that exquisite and lavish private wedding just a couple of years after. Let's hope it is all not true. Remember, she had walked out of her first marriage after just 59 days. And then he shared a photo of the person he's talking about, nigetha tumenye no ararĩrĩria, and it was none other than Winrose Wangui. Yes, Winrose Wangui did remarry for a second time. Now it has not been so long since she did her wedding, and they were even blessed with a baby not so long ago. No rĩu kũringana na ndeto ici kwahotekana gũkorwo atĩ she's calling it quits. Na Muthee Kiengei nĩarakorirwo akĩona ndeto ici. He must have seen that post because he took to the comment section to defend Winrose Wangui na oho gũkũmithia ndeto ici akiuga ũguo nĩ kũmũhoera ũru. He wrote, "Why should you wish her evil?" Na kũringana na comment ĩyo ya Kiengei, you can tell he's rubbishing that story na kuonania it is most likely not true. Kiengei says this is simply wishing Winrose Wangui evil and bad luck in her marriage, which goes to show that Winrose is still married na matitiganĩte na mũthuri wake. And it was not just Muthee Kiengei. Nyoks Wakata also came into the comment section to add on to what Muthee Kiengei said and to also rubbish this story that Winrose Wangui has separated with her husband. Akiuga, so you decided to sit down. Think of how this beautiful girl's life can get destroyed. Had the audacity to look for her photo. Scripted all this, just really all this for what? Patrick, but why? How would her pain be of benefit to you? And even if it happens, how will it help any one of us? Was it all for the likes, Ama? Gikuyu na nĩ gĩaku Nuhu. I wish you said a prayer for her instead of wishing her sad. I post here like her godmother, and knowing that I know you, I feel sad. We shall make it, we shall. Nyoks, just like Muthee Kiengei, augĩte ndeto ici ti cia ma. This is someone just trying to destroy Winrose Wangui's life. And don't forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.